Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit Verge Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this device. To force restart this device, simply press and hold the home button and keep holding it until the watch turns off. It takes about 10 to 15 seconds. So let's press and hold the home button. Keep holding it. After the screen turns off and you wait a couple more seconds, you can release the button and your watch should be turned off at this point. So if I press the home button, nothing will happen. Let's wait a couple of seconds and then you can turn on the watch by pressing and holding the home button again. And once the Amazfit logo appears on the screen, you can release the button and wait. And your watch should boot into system like this. And that's how you force restart this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.